In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pipedrive automation from a template and save it as a draft. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily and feel confident setting this up on your own. By the end, you'll know how to access the automations area, choose the right template, customize it to match your pipeline, and save everything safely as a draft so you can review it before turning it on. Start by opening your web browser and going to your Pipedrive account. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would. Give the page a moment to load so all your menus and pipelines are available. It's a good idea to have the deal pipeline you'll be using in mind, since you'll reference it in a moment. Once you're in, look for the top navigation bar and find the More menu. Click that, then choose Automations. This takes you to the Automations dashboard, where you can create time-saving workflows without manual effort. If you're new to this area, think of automations as when this happens, do that instructions for your deals, contacts, and activities. From here, you'll see a gallery of templates. Templates are pre-built workflows that cover common sales processes, so you don't have to start from scratch. Browse the options or use search and filters to quickly find something that fits your use case. When you found the one you want, click Continue to preview what the template includes, such as the trigger, the actions, and any default settings. If it looks right, click. Use Template to load it into the editor. Now customize the template so it matches your pipeline. Start by choosing the pipeline stage that should trigger the automation. For example, you might want the workflow to run when a deal moves into a specific stage. Make sure you select the exact stage in the correct pipeline to avoid triggering the automation in the wrong place. Next, add an activity step to keep your sales process consistent. You can set the activity type, give it a clear subject, assign it to the right owner, and set due dates or reminders that align with your team's cadence. While you're here, double-check any default conditions the template includes and confirm they reflect your process. When everything looks good, click Save as Draft. Saving as a draft lets you preserve your work without activating it yet, which is perfect for reviewing with your team or doing a quick sanity check later. You can come back to this draft at any time to fine-tune details or get it ready to go live. That's it. You've navigated to Automations, selected a template, customized the pipeline stage and activity, and saved your automation as a draft, all inside Pipedrive.